Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my 613 bundles using the watercolor method. And right here I'm showing you my 3 bundles in enclosure, and it's in the lengths 14, 16, 18, and 20. And now I'm just going to show you the steps I take to watercolor my hair. So first you want to start off with a bucket of hot water, and you're going to take your dye, any color that you prefer or that you want to do, and you're going to put it in a bucket and make sure you mix it very well, because if it's not completely mixed then you're just going to have dye sitting in the bottom of your bucket and it won't take on your hair. So now I'm going to take my closure and I'm going to place it in the water, and you want to make sure that you fully submerge your closure inside of the water so that it can take completely. And the watercolor method will not dye your lace, so it's okay if you dunk everything in there. And I personally don't use gloves because they don't stain my fingers, but if my nails is done I'll use gloves. And what you want to do is you just want to make sure that the color is fully saturated throughout the closure. You want to make sure that the middle got color, the back got color, and you just want to follow these steps throughout each bundle. While you are coloring the hair, you also want to make sure you take it out occasionally and comb it through, just so that it won't get tangled, and just to keep making sure and see what areas need more. So here is the final product of my closure, how it looks after coloring it using the watercolor method. And the steps that I did for the closure, you're going to do the same exact steps for the bundles, and just stay tuned and keep watching. So now that I'm done my closure, I'm going to actually pour the rest of the hair dye out of the first bottle and the rest of the water. Okay, so now when it comes down to the bundles, you actually want to make sure that you open up your bundles and fold them properly, so that when you do put the bundles in the water, the color actually catches each layer of the bundle. If not, then you'll have some patches of the hair still blonde or just lighter than the rest.